Hi everyone, discussing some of the important image question which are constantly asked in your exam. Now straight away moving to the image. Now you can see here that it is an image of a pallidi. It is used for feeding in low birth weight babies between 32 to 34 weeks of gestation, and you know that in low birth weight babies there is underdeveloped rooting reflex. So we need to have some object so that we can feed the baby. So this object is a pallidi, or we can also use spoon. Now here mother has to express the milk and give the milk to the baby in this pallidi or spoon. So you know that for the successful swallowing of the breast milk, there should be a correct coordination between rooting, sucking and swallowing. So we know that in low birth weight babies which are born between 32 to 34 weeks of gestation, rooting reflex is not properly developed, so we use pallidi. This image is over. Now moving on to another image, which is this. These are the direct images from your textbook, that is OP Ghai. So here they have shown first is incubator and another is a radiant warmer. So mode of heat transmission in incubator is convection. There is a circulation of air which is constantly maintained in the incubator, and whereas in the radiant warmer the heat transmission is by radiation. So you can see here that there is a light bulb which transfer the heat to the child from here, and this heat helps to maintain the temperature of the baby. And these kind of instruments are used in the unstable babies, and for the stable babies you know that we give kangaroo mother care. So remember this, these are the two instruments which are used to prevent hypothermia in the babies, which is the most common condition which is observed in the low birth weight babies, and also sometimes they are used for the unstable term babies. If there is some kind of problem, baby is unable to maintain the temperature, these can always be used. So try to remember all these three images. These are constantly being asked in your exam. Thank you and thanks for watching.